Semester 3rd. Subject DMS. Subject code 22318. Parallel subject for IF. POD. Subject code 22321. Chapter number 2nd. Relational data model. Learning outcome of this video: SQL operator and keys concept, primary key, foreign key, and candidate key. SQL operator. An operator is a character or reserved word used in a SQL statement to perform the different operations like arithmetic and comparisons. Operators are used to specify conditions in an SQL statement and also used to integrate multiple conditions in SQL statement. There are 5 types in SQL operators. The first is arithmetic operator, second comparison operator, third logical operator, 4 bitwise operator, and fifth is the compound operators. Now in the next slide I will explain in detail. Arithmetic operator. Consider two operands x and y, where value of x is 10 and y is 5. Then the operator plus sign is there. This sign is used for adding some numbers, and it adds the operands. Operands is the x and y. So x plus y's value is given in the next line. The x is 10 and y is 5. Then so whenever you use the operators plus sign, that x plus y adds the operands, and x plus y is equal to 15. After that, the subtract. It subtracts the right hand operand from the left hand operands, as well as the x is equal to 10 and minus y is equal to 5. Then is equal to answer is 5. After that, the multiplication signs are there, and it applies the both operands x and y. X is into y is equal to 10 into 5 is equal to 50. Answer is 50. After that, slash is used for divide sign, and it divides the left hand operands by right hand operands. Then x divided by y is equal to 10 divided by 5 is 2. Then module signs are there. It divides the left hand operand by right hand operand and returns the remainder. Then returns the remainder is 0. Then x module y is equal to 0. Then next is comparison operators. Consider the two operands x and y, where value x is 10 and y is 5. Then equal to sign. To check whether the both operands the same values, if else condition becomes the true, so x is equal to y is not true, because x value is 10 and y's value is 5. So x is equal to y is not true. Then not equal to sign are there, equal or not. So x also not equal to 10. True. It is true because x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 5. So then is greater than or not, or less than, is greater than sign. This sign is called not equal. They check whether both the operands have the same values or not. If not, conditions become then x not equal to y, it is true. Then greater than. Check whether the left operand is greater than the right. If s, condition becomes true. Then x is greater than y, the 10 is greater than y is the 5 is true. Then less than. less than, check whether the left operand is less than right if S condition becomes true. So X is less than 1, then is not true. Then greater than or equal to, check whether the left operand is greater than or equal to right operand or not if S condition becomes true. X greater than or not equal to is not true. And then so it is a true. Then less than or equal to, check whether the left operand is less than or equal to the right operand is not. If S conditions become true, X is less than is equal to Y is not true. Then next step, not less than, check whether the left operand is not less than the right operand. X is not less than Y is it true. And then not greater than, check whether the left operand is not greater than value of right operand, so is not true. Next is the logical operator. First one, all true. If all of the subquery values meet the condition, that times this operator C will go into the true condition. Next is AND. If all the conditions separated by AND is a true, then it is true. Then if any of the subquery meets the condition, that time every statement is true. Then between the operand is within the range of comparisons, then that times we have to use this between operator. And then if the operand is equal to one of the list of expressions, then not displays a record if the condition is not true, then OR true if any of the conditions separated by OR is true. Exist and like. Exist is true if the subquery returns one or more records, and then like the true if the operand matches a pattern. Then next, bitwise and compound operator. I will explain in next line. Next is the bitwise operator. AND person sign is bitwise N, the operand 1 and operand 2. Then bitwise OR, then of 1, bitwise of 2. Then bitwise exclusive OR sign, then of 1 exclusive sign OR of 2. Then spin bitwise complement, then bitwise shift left, bitwise shift right, and bitwise shift right 0. Then compound operator is plus is equal to, it will add some amount to the original value and store result into the original value. Then minus is equal to, it will subtract some amount to the original value and store result into the original value. Then multiplication is equal to, it will multiply by amount to the original value and store result into the original value. Then division is equal to, it will divide the amount to the original value and store result into the original value. Then the module is equal to, it will divided by amount to the original value and store result into the original value to the module. Then AND% is equal to, it will performs a bitwise AND and sets the original value to the result. Then bitwise exclusive OR is the size is there and is equal to, it will performs a bitwise exclusive OR and sets the original value to the result. And then then it will perform a bitwise OR and sets the original value to the result. Then set operator. Set operators are supported by SQL to be performed on table data. For these operations, special operators known as set operators are used. Set operators are used to join the results of multiple select statements. These operators help to get meaningful results from data. Under different specific conditions, queries which contain the set operators are called the compound query. The different set operators are the union, union OR, intersect, and minus. Then, next is the union operator. Union operator returns all the distinct rows selected by either query. The syntax: select column name from table 1. Union: select column name from table 2. Then examples of this union operator: the select department number from the employee and union select department number from the department. Then the output of the department number is the 10, 20, 30, 40. Union that means collect the values from the employees and the departments also. Then next, the range searching operator. The between the predicted is used to specify certain range of value. The AND key is used in this prediction. The syntax: text expressions not between the begin expressions and end expressions. For example, the select star from employee where common between the 300 and 500. Suppose this is the table employee and we have to find out the common columns between the 300 and 500. Then the employee number, employee name, job, MGR, hire date, then salary, then comma, and department number. Then we had to find the common between the 300 and 500. So we have to show only the 300 and 500 columns are there. Thank you.